And these priests were able to convince us to join the church. So you, the cadre, you must go deep. So therefore, although we are now going to launch this exercise, the work of okunyonyora, okusomesa, to sensitize our people must be the leading effort of you, the cadres. Tomorrow I will speak again about socio-economic transformation, because really this is the issue. If all the Ugandans know how to live well in the strategy of private sector-led growth, then NRM will have no work to do. You will see, I can bring you cadres who are now bringing money to the party instead of asking money from the party, because they have the money now. So they are the ones donating. They are there. And tomorrow I will give you proof of this work in the TV. My message tomorrow will be on the 4 sectors, will be on wealth creation. Because part of the problem you have in the country, from the beginning when we came into government, you could see that some people talk about wealth consumption, but they don't know much about wealth creation. This is our struggle, we as leaders, to teach every adult Ugandan, even the young people, to teach them how to create wealth. How to create wealth. Even the politics of tribalism, of what, religious sectarianism, is pushed by people who don't know anything about wealth creation. Because me, a wealth creator, I don't think about tribes. I am a cultural wealth creator. I produce beef. I produce milk. I produce bananas in all my farms. Those Banyankwere, many of them don't buy my milk. They don't buy my beef. They don't buy my bananas because they also have the same. Therefore, the people who buy, if you go to Yantonde and you stand there and you count how many lorries carrying matoke, carrying cows, carrying milk coming to Kampala, you will be amazed. It's a huge amount. So therefore, who are my supporters in terms of wealth creation? It is not the Banyankwere. It is the other Ugandans in Kampala who do different things, who buy my milk, who buy my beef, who buy my bananas. That's why we say patriotism, love Uganda. When you hear people talking of tribes, those are parasites. Parasites. Either they don't understand because they are doing nothing, or they understand but they are parasites. They are the ones who talk about tribes, about religion, about nz'omulunzi, nz'omulimi, nz'omubazi, omuvubi, sirina budde bw'amawanga n'amadini.